Let's dive into understanding why your Etsy shop may have been shut down. I've been seeing tons of Etsy shops and TikTok shops being shut down due to copyright infringement, and I want to take you behind the scenes from the perspective of a lawyer as to what happens legally when they do get shut down. From copyright infringement to negotiations, I'll be covering the key points that an Etsy shop owner should know about. I want to note that many of our defendants are overseas, but I believe the process would be the same for US stores because we were filing in US federal court. First, we would use a program that would scour the shops and find trademark and copyright infringement for our client's intellectual property. Second, we would start the process of filing in court. We would file a complaint and some other legal paperwork, naming each store we found as a defendant. Third, we would let the marketplace know. So the marketplace could be Etsy, Amazon, eBay, and we would let them know that one of their shop owners was infringing on our client's trademark or copyright and that we have a case against them. We would show the complaint, and then the defendant's shop would be shut down and the defendant's account would be frozen so they could not access any of the money. And if you want a video about what constitutes trademark and copyright infringement, like this video and leave a question in the comment section of this video. Next, the defendants would start reaching out to us because their store had been shut down, and that's when we would start the negotiation process. And then we would let them know that there was either copyright or trademark infringement, and then we would show them the proof that we had of the infringement. And many of these store owners would say they never made any money off these listings, but it didn't matter. It's still trademark or copyright infringement because it was up and still available for sale without our client's permission. And we'd start the negotiations with a mid 4-figure to 5-figure amount, and then we would usually negotiate down from there until we reached a settlement. Once we reached that settlement, we would draw up the agreement, and once they paid the settlement amount, we'd file a motion to dismiss, and we would also send that over to the marketplace and they would get their store back. And that's what the general legal process looked like when I was doing these type of matters. Obviously, these people were willing to negotiate, but had they not, there would be discovery, there would be, other things that would be happening that are very, very costly. So luckily we had every defendant that we went after either did not answer us or they would negotiate a settlement before it even got that far to getting into the nitty-gritty of discovery and depositions and things like that. And as an online business owner or creator, if you would like to start protecting your own intellectual property, you can download the digital product usage agreement. It's linked below in the description. And this agreement basically tells your buyers or purchasers what they can and cannot do with your digital products. It's essentially a licensing agreement. And I will see you in the next video.